When you build your online store pages, they're made of sections. Sections stack on top of each other to create the full layout of your page. There are many types of sections you can use. For example, a hero section, often used as a wide, eye-catching area at the start of the page content. You can also add product lists, carousels, image galleries, contact forms, and dozens of other options for different purposes. Let's add a new section as an example. I'll click one of the plus icons on the front page. This opens a dialog where I can choose which section to add. Now let's type video into the search field. It shows two section options, and we'll choose full screen video. The section is now added to the page. I'll open its settings from the top right corner of the section. Here, we could add titles or text, but for now, we'll just paste a video URL. As you can see, the video appears in the section right away. Now let's switch to the Settings tab in the same menu. From here, I'll choose Section and add some padding to the top. You'll see the spacing update immediately on the page. Next, let's look at how to delete a section. At the top right corner of every section, there's a small trash icon. I'll click it now to remove the video section we just added. Finally, let's look at the section list on the left. You can open any section settings from here by clicking the Edit icon. And by clicking the small eye icon, you can adjust visibility. For example, you can hide a section, show it only to registered customers, or schedule it to appear during a specific campaign. And that's all you need to start working with sections. Try different combinations, explore the options, and build pages that look and feel just the way you want.